Algebraic expression. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, letters that represent unknown values, and operations like plus, minus, times, and divide without an equal sign. Here's the example. 5x plus 3, 2a squared, minus 7b plus 4, x over 2 plus 8. Here the first example of algebraic expression using FOIL method. X plus 1 and x plus 2. X times x equals x squared plus x times 2 equals 2x plus 1 times x equals x plus 1 times 2 equals 2. Combine like terms. Copy this kasi wala siyang katulad. Plus. Pag-plusin natin to kasi pareho sila. Dito ay may imaginary 1. 3x. Plus 2. Here's the final answer. Here's the second example of algebraic expression using FOIL method. Y minus 3 and y plus 4. Y times y equals y squared plus y times 4 equals 4y minus 3 times y equals 3y. 3 times 4 equals 12. Combine like terms. Dahil wala siyang katulad, copy lang po. Y2 plus 4y plus minus 3y equals y minus. Copy this kasi wala siyang katulad. Here's the final answer.
Parts of an algebraic expression: constant, number without variables, for example, 3 and 5. Variables, letters that represent unknown values, for example, x, y, and a. Coefficients, for example, is 5x. 5 is the coefficient. Operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Example number 3. 2a plus 5 times a minus 1. We will use FOIL method. 2a times a is equals to 2a squared. 2a times negative 1 is equals to negative 2a. 5 times a is equals to positive 5a. 5 times negative 1 is equals to negative 5. To simplify, 2a, copy the 2a squared plus negative 2a plus 5a is equals to positive 3a. And copy the negative 5. Sample number 4. 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. We will use FOIL method. 3x times 2x is equals to 6x squared. 3x times 3 is equals to 9x. Negative 2 times negative 2x is equals to 4x. Negative 2 plus positive 3 is equals to negative 6. To simplify, we will copy 6x squared because they don't have the same terms. Plus 9x minus 4x is equals to positive 5x. And we will copy the negative 6 also because wala din silang same terms.
Types of algebra expression. Number 1, monomial has one term, example 3x negative 5y square 7. Number 2, binomial has two terms, example 4x plus 5 and 7a negative 3b. Third, trimonial has three terms of example x squared positive 3x positive 2. Number 4, polynomial has two more terms, example 2x cube negative 2 square plus ay positive 5x negative 7. Example of distributive. Meron po tayong open parenthesis x plus 2 close parenthesis open parenthesis x squared negative 3 and close parenthesis. I-multiply lang po natin para po makuha natin ang tamang sagot. Multiply po natin, first step po ay multiply ang x sa 2x squared and x cube. Number 2 po ay multiply uli sa x and negative 3 and negative 3x. Number 3 po ay i-multiply naman ang 2 sa x squared and 2x squared. Number 4 po ay multiply ang 2 sa negative 3 and negative 6. Tapos pagsasamahin lang po natin ang sagot. Ito na po magiging sagot yan. 2 cube, x cube plus, positive 2x squared negative 3x negative 6. Ang example po. Open parenthesis 2x plus 3y close parenthesis open parenthesis 4x negative 5y close parenthesis. Multiply lang din po ang gagawin natin dyan para makuha po natin ang tamang sagot. Number 1. Step 1. Multiply ang 2x sa 4x and 8x x squared. Tapos, number 2 po ay i-multiply ang 2x sa negative 5y and negative 10xy. Step 3 po ay multiply uli. Multiply ang 3y sa 4x and 12xy. And number 4 po, ito po ang final, ay i-multiply naman ang 3y sa negative 5y and negative 15y squared. Tapos, pagkasamahin lang po natin ang sagot. Yan, 8x squared. Yan, ito po. Tapos, ay positive and 2xy. Tapos, negative 15y x squared. Yan.
3. Expand x plus 2 times x plus 3. Use distributive property. Dahil pong method ang pwedeng gamitin sa pag-distribute. Nandito na po ang vertical, horizontal method, form method, box method, and mental distribute. Ito po ang natin naging expansion. X plus 2 times x plus 3 is equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Isa-isahin po natin pong ginawa upang malaman bakit ito ang ating naging kasagutan. Simulan po natin dito. Ang ating pong ginawa dito, kaya po naging x squared ay pinag-times po ang x times x. Kaya naging x squared po ito. At isunod po natin ng x times 3. Kaya po naging positive 3x ito. And sumunod po ang 2 times x. Kaya po naging positive 2x ito. And sunod po ay 2 times 3. Kaya naging positive 6 po ito. So ang sunod po natin gagawin ay i-combine lang po ang like terms. So yung ating pong like terms dito, ang magkaparehas ay ito lang po. Ito pong dalawa. 3x and 2x. So kaya naging x squared po dito ay wala na po itong kaparehas, kaya ibinaba na lang po natin ang x squared. And yun na nga po, kinumbine lang po natin ng like term or magkaparehas. So kaya naging 5x po ito, positive 5x po ito, ay pinag-add lang po ang 3x plus 2x. And ibinaba lang po natin ang positive 6. So yun na po ang ating expansion ng x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6. Maraming salamat po.
Example number 7, expand x plus 2y minus 1 times x minus y plus 3. So ito po ay multiplication ng dalawang binomial. So ang una po natin gagawin ay ito times po yung first binomial sa kada term ng second binomial. So ito po ang mangyayari. X times x, ito po yan. And then x times negative y, ito po yan. And then sunod po x times 3, ito po yan. At sunod pong term positive 2y times x. Ito po yun. And then, positive 2y times negative y is ito po yun. And then, last one po, positive 2y times 3. Ito po yun. And for the last term po, negative 1 times x. Ito po yun. And then, negative 1 times negative y. Ito po yun. And for the last one po ay negative 1 times positive 3. Ito po yun. So, sunod po natin gagawin ay i-simplify lang po yung ating pong mga term. So, ito po yan. X times x equals x squared. And x positive x times negative y equals negative xy. And then ito po, positive x times positive 3 is equals to positive 3x. And sunod po, positive 2y times x is equals to positive 2xy. And dito naman po sunod po, positive 2y times negative y is equals to negative 2y squared. At sunod po ay ito po, positive 2y times 3 is equals to positive 6y. And for the last one po, ito na po tayo sa last, negative 1 times positive x is equals to negative x. And then negative 1 times negative y is equals to positive y. For the last one po, negative 1 times positive 3 is equals to negative 3. So, ang sunod po natin gagawin ay i-combine po ang like term. So, ito pong x squared ay wala po siyang kaparehas, kaya ibinaba na lang po siya dito. And ito po, ang magkakaparehas po dito ay ito pong negative xy. Ito po yun, negative xy. And positive 2xy. Ito yun po. And plus dito po, plus 3x minus x. Ito yun siya po. Ito siya po. And then ito po, ito pong wala po siyang kapareha, so copy lang po siya. And then plus ito po, 6 plus y. And ito pong y, so ito po yung dalawa. And copy the negative 3 lang po. Ito yun po. So, okay. Ating pong final answer ay x squared plus xy plus 2x minus 2y squared plus 7y minus 3. Kaya yun po yung naging final answer natin ay biniring down lang po natin yung x squared, and then ito po, negative xy plus 2xy is equals to positive xy. And then dito po is 3x minus x is equals to positive 2x. And dito naman po, biniring down lang po siya. Ito po, negative 2y squared. And then dito po, 6y plus y is equals to positive 7y. And then bring down lang po itong negative 3. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Example number 8. So, ang gagawin natin po dito ay i-multiply po natin ang bawat term sa kabila term po. So, ito po yan. Square root of x times square root of x. Ito yun po silang dalawa. Then, square root of x times dito po sa negative 3. Ito po yan. And next po ay ito po, positive 2 times square root of x. Ito po yan. Ang sunod po ay positive 2 times negative 3. Ito po yan. Ang sunod po natin gagawin ay isi-simplify po. So, square root of x times square root of x is equals to x. And square root of x times negative 3 is equals to negative 3 square root of x plus 2 times square root of x is equals to positive 2 square root of x. And for the last one po, 2 times 3 is equals to negative 6. So, ito po. Ito na po tayo sa final answer. So, kaya ito po ating naging final answer ay ginawa po natin ay inad lang po yung like terms dito po. So, x wala po siyang kapareha. So, binabalang po natin. And then, inad po natin tong negative 3 square root of x plus 2 square root of x. Kaya, ang naging sagot niya po ay negative 1 or negative square root of x, and then bring down number 6 lang po. So, yun po ang ating sagot sa sample number 8. Maraming salamat.
Simplify 3x plus 5x, combine 3x plus 5x is equal to 8x. Separate 2x plus 3 when x is equal to 4. 2 times 4 plus 3. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Bring down 3. X plus 3 is equal to 11. Cube plus 2x plus 1 is x cube minus 2x plus 1. Ang sagot niyan ay is equal to x cube 4 minus 4x squared plus 1. Andito naman po sa isa ay a plus b plus c is a minus b minus c is equal to a squared minus b plus c x squared.